everyone. Welcome back to Jane's Marketing Channel. Today's clip, I will introduce people to use a tool. Help us scan out all the UIDs on the Facebook platform. And from these UIDs, we will be able to scan out potential groups of people and our potential customers on the Facebook platform. This is the main interface of the software that we can scan out in bulk. The UIDs, we can scan these groups. Scan a group member scan. Scan the profile page. I can scan articles and so on. Today, I will guide everyone to scan, scrape out the groups, and scan out group members. So we're going to go to the section that scans this group and go to the ID scan by keyword. I'll fill in some keywords here. We can fill in any keyword to scan multiple data. For example, I will scan the keyword crypto or a casino, for example. Then we will select the account to scan. Next, we will choose how many groups per keyword scans. Here I'll let each keyword scan 1,000 groups. We can scan indefinitely, as long as they are on Facebook. Now we just need to press start. The software will scan the group for us. But now I have scanned it. 1,500 data. We'll have a lot of information, for example, group member, whether or not this sensor group has this link or not. Name and UID will now appear. Excel for easy management. We'll have a lot of information about the unions, this group. And now I'm going to guide everyone how to scan out the members of this group so that we can go and make this friend, spam messaging, and so on. Go to the group member scan and enter the group IDs here. I just need to put these IDs in. Paste ID here. And each group we can scan, well, here. Set up as scanning 500 members. If it is like a demo scan, I will scan it 100 mems. Because I've filled a lot of groups. Next, we select this scan account and click. Let's start with software that automatically scans things. Member ID for us. And we can also scan details or scan A. Quick scan, we'll just get the UID. Also scan details. Then we're going to get the link information and so on. I just scanned the demo, so I'll stop here. And we'll output the results for everyone to see. The software has supported us. Scrape out all the members in there. Personal link and time to join. It's extremely detailed. There is also a personal page link. That's it, my clip is over. The software helped us. We've scanned out all the potential members. Customer data on Facebook, and once we have this ID, we can totally spam them comment. Or texting. Bye everyone.